Decimals, fractions, mixed numbers, and percentages are related and are simply different ways of showing the same value. For example, this illustration of a pizza divided into 4 equal parts with one part missing can be expressed as the fraction 3/4, the decimal 0.75, and the percentage 75%. Here's a table illustrating common values in percent, decimal, and fraction format. Numbers can be converted from one format to another to make it easier to analyze or display information. To convert a fraction to a decimal, simply divide the numerator by the denominator. To convert a decimal to a fraction, first write the decimal in fraction format with the number 1 as the denominator. Then multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10 for every number after the decimal. For instance, if you have the decimal 0.375, you would multiply by 10 3 times, or by 1,000, because there are 3 numbers after the decimal. For the decimal 1.82, you would multiply by 10 twice, or by 100, because there are 2 numbers after the decimal. In this example, the decimal 0.75 has 2 numbers after the decimal point. So we multiply by 100 for both the numerator and the denominator. Finally, we take the resulting fraction and simplify it if required. This fraction simplifies to 3/4. To convert a percent to a decimal, simply divide by 100 and remove the percent sign. For example, to convert 75% to decimal format, first divide by 100, which yields 0.75, and remove the percent sign. To convert from a decimal to a percent, multiply by 100 and add the percent sign. To convert 0.75 to percentage format, first multiply by 100, then add the percent sign.